Good morning, coyotes. I want to talk to you today about something you might have been watching as you're driving across the road. When you look up into the mountains, you see these rocks that are just broken off, and you wonder, I wonder how that could possibly happen. Well, I've got a little sample here to show you how that might just occur. I'm going to hand this mic over so someone can help me. Jamie? Okay, so this is an example that might be up on the top of the mountain. And here in San Antonio, do you remember when we got really, really cold and it rained and then it turned to ice? Well, when that happens in a rock, and you can tell right here that water could get inside of here, because if you look really closely, there's little roots that grew in the rock. So two things are happening here. Water gets in there, and as it freezes, it expands and breaks off pieces of rock. And you can see right here that the roots also helped to break these pieces of rock off. That is how we get things like landslides that are fast-moving changes to the earth. But we're going to talk a little bit about something that'll help you remember what this is called. When things break off like that, they are called weathering, and they break apart. So I want everybody to stand up with me. We're going to learn a little rhyme to help us remember the difference between weathering, erosion, and deposition. So weathering is the breaking apart like this rock. Erosion is when the rock falls down the side and it gets washed away. That movement is erosion. And then once it gets to the end of the river, it drops, and that's called deposition. So we're going to do a little game. Are you ready? All right, everybody stand up with me. So first, weathering. Say it with me. Weathering. Erosion. Deposition. We're going to go a little faster. Weathering. Erosion. Deposition. A little faster. Weathering. Erosion. Deposition. Weathering. Erosion. Deposition. Weathering. Erosion. Deposition. Weathering. Deposition. Erosion. Weathering. Remember these words from Professor von Einstein for today's Science Corner. See you around the campus.